Parenting is the most tasking of jobs. It takes all the patience in the world, acceptance without conditions, selfless love, and all the other qualities you can think of, which we usually take for granted. I won't be too much to say that parenting is the playground of right emotions, and the right mindset, and accurate decisions. Raising a child, if done right, makes you a better human being. But let's look at parenting from a different angle. Parenting is the basis of society building. We are looking at parenting, or the art of sustenance, as a basis for building people. The art of sustaining people is actually a divine celestial degree, which you can achieve through good wishes, unconditional love, and acceptance. Mentoring is an art, which is in high demand in households, organizations, corporates, and governments. The one who masters this art will always be a happy boss, under whose leadership people thrive. This is an art that can only be developed by deep contemplation. Meditation on the self and the supreme is necessary to establish the basis of sustaining the self. Self-sustenance then forms the basis of sustaining others. Once we understand the immense importance of self-care through the development of virtues, we can become a building block for a new society, and that is the need of the day. Brahma Kumaris wishes you a very happy Global Day of Parents.